All right, so the NDC and Ay3Ka Ghana for say Ghana for and MPP for say they want everybody to come together. Omo per say NDC ni MPP nyina ebra abonte and I say en kambom say no be ya they can fight this Galamsey fight. Ebusia say mo be kaya na Addo time na Addo danko akufado kun Galamsey. It was very hard for Addo and Addo in the presidency atu this Galamsey fight and we see maybe an Addo danko akufado etu ne sanfre the then opposition party which is the NDC now and then omo abemu ebusia omo yiya na Addo danko akufado papa omo fa nche no omo yiya no papa but and this same NDC for now muya na Addo danko akufado for calling you people to come together so that you guys can fight this Galamsey fight and then see the MPP should also come together. Abusia for me say sad time na Addo ka say NDC for number no Sami Jemfi edin sembia betuja we yiya na Addo danko akufado basa abusia for manko nenko tie insema Sami Jemfi e ka kire na Addo that time na Addo say bra together na yembra na yeba yebeto aso na me sure
the height of impunity was when an MPP youth organizer for Chedi was said to have been excavating for gold in the backyard garden of President Akufo-Addo's residence in Chedi. Yet, President Akufo-Addo got no wind of this from national security operatives who guard his house or his elaborate security detail. As I have already indicated, the only thing that can explain this scandalous revelation is that President Akufo-Addo is himself complicit in the illegal Galamsey menace. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen of the media, if there was any doubt that the so-called fight against illegal mining by the Akufo-Addo Bawumia MPP government has been a sham, then this is the clearest evidence yet again. The Frimpong Boateng report confirms one truth, that illegal mining activities have been a free-for-all enterprise for many in the Akufo-Addo Bawumia MPP administration. From ministers, presidential staffers, and other associates in governments to national, regional, constituency, and unit committee executives of the New Patriotic Party, their agents, personal assistants, relatives, and financiers. Many are neck deep and are either engaged in or promoting illegal mining with reckless abandon. The details of the Professor Frimpong Boateng report are simply scandalous, scary, sordid, pervasive, and rotten to the core. We now know how the 500 seized excavators were sold by people entrusted to take care of those seized equipment. And today we are asking, if they thought we have forgotten, we have not forgotten, we are asking them, where are the over 500 missing excavators? Ladies and gentlemen, there is now ample evidence about how military and police officers and other men in uniform who were funded by the state and taxed to help fight Galamsey were rather used to protect illegal mining sites belonging to government and MPP officials and their foreign collaborators.
The house he took the journalist to is his mother's residence at Chedi New Town. But apart from that, Akufo-Addo owns a property in between Chedi Esikam and Adukrum, Honorable Ofusu-Ampofo's hometown. That property is also a security zone which is fenced. And on that property, which is managed by the said Eric Entry, National Security Operative, he runs a cattle farm there and has a garden there. I am daring the presidency that if they say that Galamsey is not going on any property of the president in Chibi, I am daring them. Let them bus media men to that property and let's see what will come out.
Which specific property are you talking about?
His property between Chebia Sikam and Dukrum.
That is where this Eric Entry is.
Yes, he manages both that and the president's mother's residence at Chebi Newtown, which is where they took the media men to. I am saying that this other property too, they should send the people there. We are not children in this house, in this country.
Yeah, it's a house.
We are not children in this country. We know what is happening. We have our ears on the ground. Some of them got wind of the fact that we were intending to come there, and they have been sending threats that if we step there, they will shoot us and kill us. They should wait. All the truth will come out. You see, the truth is like pregnancy. You can't hide it forever.
Amen.
God is the one exposing President Akufo-Addo, his duplicity, his hypocrisy, his dishonesty on this Galamsey matter.
Amen.
Do you know the amount of money that they have spent on this Galamsey fight? Billions of cedis spent on Galamstop, spent on Operation Vanguard, spent on procuring drones to fight Galamsey. All
Abusia nti sabi je finka nsem wenyi na fa na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo the efforts na wa ye afa Galamsey fight no ene eduji tamaklo sorry o see he's calling on the NPP obia o say ofre obia say they should come together and fight Galamsey. Abusia for my calling kwati in sama eduji tamaklo so ede tuja na yeba to
all material time we need to appreciate that to win this war, it will require the collective efforts of all of us, be it civil society, those in government, those in opposition, traditional authorities, most importantly, and like what we are doing this morning,
The local communities.
the locals. You see, if we turn Galamsey, if we turn Galamsey into Accra conversation, it will remain Accra conversation.
Maybe I already tamaklo. So today, you know that to fight this Galamsey, it has to be a collective issue. It has to be something that NPP, NDC now say omunyi na kambon no mukun to kwari. Munim sa niyama we nyina ba in opposition and then amuka ye. What did you people tell Ghanaians in opposition and then amuka chiro mu? Muchan Troiguna Nado Su and Anado de Ye Galamsey, a one if ye na watch a be and a dead and anima mi fie bisu ye de Galam or Ye Galamsey excavators. I wish ya. Samukansa assembling now. You people have to go and beg Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. If you people really want the NPP to come on board, because that time Nana do air kwano. When Addo Ekono, now you people go back to the people and promise them that, oh, we will allow you people to mine, we will allow you people to do the work. When we come vote against the NPP no more ding, but you come online and say different thing. Abraham name the truth. You know the truth. You know the main problem now. Country no. Today, you are calling NPP to come on board so that you people can solve this problem together. You people should come out and apologize to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. You people should come out and apologize to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Say, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, yanyani ye yanka. Yani wa indini ye. We thought we can do it, but ye said they be now we kun. You people should come out. Say, if and yes, we will keep on telling the people to keep on doing the